Is your automatic transmission acting like it cannot decide which gear to be in? Or maybe it feels like it is slipping when you try to accelerate? That check engine light on your dash might be hiding the code P2808. This code points directly to the Pressure Control Solenoid G either performing poorly or being stuck in the off position. Think of these solenoids like little electric faucets inside your transmission. The computer turns them on and off to direct hydraulic fluid to different clutches and bands. This is how the car shifts gears. When solenoid G is stuck off, the fluid is not getting where it needs to go for a specific gear change, and that is why you feel that slipping, or the car goes into limp mode where it stays in one gear to prevent damage. The very first thing you should do, before you even touch a tool, is check your transmission fluid. I cannot stress this enough. Dirty, burnt fluid or a clogged filter can block the tiny passages in the solenoid, causing it to stick. If the fluid looks like a dark milkshake or smells burnt, a fluid and filter change might be all you need to clear this code. If the fluid is clean and full, you need to look at the electrical side. Check the wiring harness going into the transmission. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If the external wiring looks good, the problem might be inside the pan. You can use a digital multimeter to check the resistance of the solenoid itself, but you will need the specific specs for your car to know what the numbers should be. Usually, you are looking for 0 ohms or a specific resistance value. If the solenoid reads open, it is electrically dead and needs to be replaced. Sometimes the entire valve body needs to be swapped out if the solenoid is built into it. But do not jump to conclusions. Check for technical service bulletins first. Manufacturers often know about these specific issues on certain models and might have an updated part or a software fix that solves the problem without you having to rebuild the transmission. If you ignore this, you could burn out your clutches, leading to a much more expensive repair bill. So tackle it as soon as you see that light.